In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook event and how you can run ads to it. Okay, so events are really powerful objectives inside of Facebook because you're not sending traffic outside of Facebook, right? Like they see the event on their Facebook news feeds, timelines, and they can either inquire, click on the links, accept, think about it, reject it. So because of this, Facebook will reward you with really cheap campaigns. Okay, it's not going to cost you as much as sending traffic to an external page. So I'm on a test page here inside of Facebook, and this is how you create the event. Okay, so you want to go to your events tab, and you want to create an event. Okay, now you need to do this first before you move on to the ads. Okay, inside of Ads Manager. So um, build your event as you see this in this video. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want an event video or photo. Okay, so depending on your campaign, whether if you're trying to fundraise or if you're going to have a physical um, event, at like a location, like a bar or something, then you can have a video of that. So I'm just going to leave this as blank as from the page, but you can change it by clicking on this button. Okay. The event name is obviously important, so you can call it, calling all veterans. Okay, and then you can have a location, like a physical place. So it could be like a city, or like a street, um, like a. So this is bring up Houston street, Houston Palace, Houston City. You can select, you can put in road names, you can put in zip codes, whatever it is you want. Okay, so we're just going to select the city for this example, and then you want to select the frequency. Does it happen once? Is it daily? Whatever, right? So we're just going to do once for this example. And when does it start, right? Like, is it today, tomorrow, whenever? Okay, and how long does it last for? So you want to select that, and then you want to put in a category. So this could be, let's say it's just going to be drinks. We're just going to do like a drinks. Um, Come and hang out with us and drink. Okay. So for this, I've selected the drinks category, and then obviously you want to put a description and just put something compelling, right? Make sure that you've got all the uh, your main points. Where it's going to be. If there's a dress code. What time does it finish? What time does it start? That kind of stuff, right? You can call it out in the description. I know we do have the start and end times, but sometimes people like to see it in here, so just bear that in mind. So schedule, you can change the schedule if you want to. Um, Back, so we're going to leave the schedule. Okay, let's kill this. Put some keywords in here. So this might show up on the, if you can see this behind me where it says awesome veterans. That's the graph search. So if you want to, show up in your search results, because remember, Facebook is also a search engine. If you want to show up in these results, then you can, okay? And you can put some um, like keywords related to your event or industry or whatever, right? Is it kid friendly? If it is, check that. And then if it is a paid event, then you can send them to a ticketing website like Ticketmaster or StubHub or something like that. And you can put that URL in there, okay? And in terms of posting, you can let people, your potential audience, post on here, okay? Or you can turn posting off, okay? Or take it all off. Or they can post, but then you basically approve their comments. You can also add people into this event. So if you've got like, co event friends and relatives who are helping out, then you can put their names in here and they can manage the event for you as well, okay? And you can display the guest list. I'd leave that ticked because that's like social proof. So if you've got like 200 people attending your event, you want to see that in the list, right? Like you want to see that in the events because that makes it more legit. And humans are social beings, so when they see other people, when they see on your event that other people are going, it's more likely to influence them to say yes. Okay, so we're gonna publish this on the page. Just wait for that to display, and here you go, here's the event. Okay, so next thing you want to do is head over to your ads manager, click on create. Okay, this time we're going to select a event responses. Okay, let's just call this whatever you want. So this is the veterans event, and then we're going to call this veterans, and we're going to call this event 1. Okay, and obviously just call this whatever is relevant to you. We're going to save to draft. Okay, just close this down, and then as always go to the ad first, make sure that's working, and setup, click on edit. Is it working? Okay, here we go. So you want to select the right page. So this was, let me just go back here. This is Autism Veterans. Okay, and I want to select the event that I've just created, calling all veterans. Okay, and you can see that this is what it's going to look like on their mobile newsfeed. Okay, and what you want to do is fill it out like any other ad. Okay, so you can put some text in here. So calling all veterans, are you free on ... Okay, let's just do that. Okay, and then if you are, then click interested, or let's do this. So using our ad copy best practices and guidelines on the previous videos, call them out. Are you free on ... which is a date. If you are, then click the call to action button. Okay, that's basically it. That's all you need to do. Just select the page, select the event, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so just make sure I've filled in everything. Branded content. Yeah, we're good. We're good here. Just close this down, and then there's an error message. Okay, that's fine. It's just disabled account, so we're good. Close that down, and then what you want to do is click on ad sets, and then obviously the success of any campaign is down to your targeting, okay, and your demographics. So make sure that's filled in, and when you're happy, just click on review and publish, and that's it. Okay, that's how you launch and create an event campaign. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.